All right.
Do you still need to hold the phone?
So this is us on 38th trying Facebook Live for the very first time using the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. So we're going to do a little stroll down 38th, which is a very hip and happening area with great restaurants, cool vibes. So that's the Residencia condos that we're staying in. And I won't talk the whole thing because I don't want to bore you all. But absolutely one of the most incredible streets in Playa. You know, you got Fifth Avenue, which is the kind of tacky tourist, but it's phenomenal. And then we got this 38th, which has incredible restaurants, which we actually haven't tried many of them yet. But you can see it's got families visiting it. So this one apparently is a fantastic Mexican restaurant, which goes kind of way back there and gives you a kind of almost a jungle feel. We don't know what this one is, but boy, was there music playing there a couple nights ago.
The only thing better than one margarita is two.
Yeah, the only thing better than one margarita is two. I mean, who's going to argue with that? So we're on 38th. And so 38th leads straight to the beach. As actually every restaurant, every street in Playa pretty much leads to the beach. It's all public access. There's no sort of restricted, pathways, anything like that. So, and so you've got drugstores everywhere. So if you ever need cheap pharmaceuticals, Playa del Carmen's the place to go. Now this is neat because this place has been closed for the last few nights. So we were a little concerned that some of these places might be out of business because tourist season was a little slow this year. But it sounds like they might just be closed one or two nights. Yeah. Oh, excuse me. So I circled around because I saw that guy's hat earlier. It looked great. So this place is in the full Christmas spirit. And we were in the kind of the city central earlier today. And I have never seen more poinsettias in my life. No? You neither?
No.
Yeah. And it was absolutely phenomenal. So this place has got the whole Christmas vibe going on. We'll keep walking down a bit. So technology is pretty awesome, but what they don't have yet is smell-o-vision. Yeah. If you could smell my beautiful.
Watch yourself.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I know. I see the trucks. The smells around here are phenomenal. So this is kind of a newer section. We've last time we were here. So last time we were here, this was kind of all in development. A pharmacy, surprise, surprise. Papaya Slice is a pretty well-regarded vegan place. Needless to say, I haven't been there. There's some really cool restaurants through here. And actually one of the ones that's closed right now at the far end, beside the pharmacy, is a Jamaican. Is it Jamaican Mexican?
Yes.
Jamaican Mexican. So. And then this place on the corner here, La Vagabunda de la 38. We went there for a couple nights ago to watch some Sunday night football. And it always has nighttime entertainment. Music tonight, they have a sort of cover band. It is the crooners of the 50s and 60s. They got a whole Vegas thing going on. But every night they have music to some sort. And we tried to get pizza there last night, but I was just a little late. So we ended up having to walk blocks around.
Yep.
And we ended up with some Argentinian sausage, which was
amazing.
which was friggin' awesome. So now you got a couple of, they're probably residential condos here. As you can see straight ahead, we got the beach, or beach entrance, and this is a really popular beach entrance. Now the beach has taken a big hit since the hurricane, well, a few months ago. Yeah, it's probably lost, I don't know how many feet or yards of beach. But and that OXXO is probably one of the most profitable OXXOs in the world. So it's like a 7-Eleven, but it's right next to the beach. So, you know, you grab your beers, your whatevers. I'm gonna kick off my shoes and we'll walk on the beach. Yep, mi esposa is going to do the same. So the resort here, Mahakal, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, seems to be beautiful. We've walked by it many a times. Right on the water. Now some of the beach has eroded under some of their kind of cabanas. But here we are, walking into the beach, and so I know it's probably pretty hard to see, but when we've been here before, the beach has gone out probably 10-20 yards from here, but off in the distance, I don't know if you can see it, you can see some lights. That would be Cozumel, and yeah, so we're just at the end of 38. That's our little tour. So hope you've enjoyed it. This is our first test of Facebook Live, and yeah, hasta mañana.